Hey you guys, so I wanted to go through the Crack the Dental Board's website and the product that I'm doing a giveaway with this week. So as I was going through this website last week, I kept thinking to myself, man, I wish that we had access to all these resources when I was studying for my boards. What the Crack the Dental Board's team has done is they've divided their website into and organized it really well into these little sections. So you can start off by doing a diagnostic test. They have different sections for the part 1 and then they have a part 2 as well. I have a lot of friends who love, to learn from videos, and they have videos in both Spanish and English. If you go to this drop-down menu, you can see that they have the basic sciences, and then they have your dentistry topics as well. They have flashcards, which are amazing. I know a lot of my medical colleagues use this, so very helpful. Unfortunately, I can't show it to you because I don't have complete access to their package, but... And then to end off your studying, you'll have access to tons of tests. They've split it by day, they've split it by section, and even more so by section. So anatomy, biochem, I really highly recommend checking out their website. I really liked what I found, and I think it could be helpful to a lot of students who are studying for the dental boards. And good luck with studying, guys, if you're doing that right now, and take care.